October 18th. It's a Friday, and I've decided that I want a weekend for myself in the forest. So my birthday's on Sunday, and so that's kind of my reason for having a selfish weekend on my own. So I'm just leaving Nelson now and heading to Flora carpark, and hoping that my car that is not a four-wheel drive will get up the road into it, and then I'm gonna do the Tableland circuit. I think the loop is 28 kilometers and taking 3 sort of days to do it. So the weather is not great. So I'm on the road now and it doesn't seem too bad. This is a steep bit coming up here. Made it! The road wasn't actually that bad at all. It was just that one section. Here it is, Flora carpark. Yay! And off we go. It's so pretty, so pretty. Raining a bit harder here in the open, but I just came around the corner to find Flora Hut. There it is, 1927. Huts are so cool. It'll be nice to get into the next one there, but a little ways to go yet. So from Flora Hut here, Salisbury Lodge is 11.4 kilometers, and the Gridiron shelters 5 kilometers away. So hour and a half and a bit, hour and 40. Should be good. Just crossed paths with another really lovely human. People that are outside in nature are so lovely. It's so refreshing, and just really nice interactions. So pretty. So this looks like a road, because it is a road. Back in the day there used to be a gold mine along here. We've come to a swing bridge. Big snail. Wow. Empty. Just came up from the trail down there. This is Gridiron Hut. There's the upper Gridiron Hut. That's awesome. Little fire pit out here. Have a look inside. Look, this is rock. Crazy. Oh, that's what I forgot to bring, is a candle. A couple there. Oh, there's some more here. So cool. This would be awesome. Look, I have a friend. Hello, Eka. You're gonna try to eat my GoPro, aren't you? It's not for you. I just left Upper Gridiron Hut to check out Lower Gridiron Hut, because it was only 150 meters away. And check it out! This is like actual shelter. A swing rope. A table, there's your outside cooking area. Firewood there. That's so crazy. Let's check out over on this side. Let's see. There's your water. So I just came back into Upper Gridiron Hut just now. Because yeah, it seems like a good place to stop, and it's raining, and I'll leave the rest of the hike for tomorrow. So this fire is such a struggle to keep going. I think the wood's all wet, so it's not working very well. It's 6:15 now. The fire is going and I have lots of pieces of wood around it trying to dry off. And then my gear as well, hanging and drying. I'm quite cold, so I actually have this silk sheet thing inside my sleeping bag and then a little baby sack over it. I don't know why, but I feel like super anxious. It's weird, like I keep kind of shivering, but I don't know if it's because I'm cold or because I'm nervous and stuff, but it's really weird. I was hoping this was going to be like relaxing and freeing and stuff like that, but I just can't stop like shaking and my heart rate feels really high and very strange. I don't know why that's happening. But I'm gonna try to relax and make the most of it. I have my book there, so I've been reading, and I'll probably have quite an early bedtime, which would be good. Make my way to, I guess, Arthur Hut tomorrow. Mount Arthur Hut, so yeah, wish me luck in the night. Hopefully I calm down. Good morning, October 19th now. I just woke up, it's like around 7 o'clock. I just boiled some water for some oatmeal, and I have my little Weka friend over there. And I'm excited to start the day not soaking wet. Yay. I just did a little cleanup. And I'm leaving this hut and on to the next one, and even after that. Bye, cool cave! Bit of a different landscape now. Just leaving Salisbury Lodge after a quick snack, and I put on my rain gear. It's like misting a little bit. It's still kind of sunny, but I don't know how long that's gonna last. So I need to go back down the trail a little bit and then over to Gordon's Pyramid from there, and hopefully the visibility will be okay enough for me to see my way down to Arthur's Hut. So it's about 10 o'clock now. I'm in this kind of more sheltered forest where it's not really raining anymore. I'm getting a bit warmer because there's no wind, and the trail is just following those orange triangles there. Turning into a bit of a scramble now. And it is still misting. I was just under the tree cover before. But came from down there. Yeah, let's see where this goes. Great view. So I'm on some sort of ridge line now. The orange markers have gone to orange poles. A little bit more breezy and exposed up here, but I'm warm, so I'm happy. Okay, so visibility sucks, but it's enough to see the poles. Just come to this side. So this is Gordon's Pyramid at 1,489 meters. Gone 3K, I guess. Mount Arthur's Hut, 7.2, 3 hours, so let's hope that's right. A little bit of snow down there. Ooh. Visibility is kind of getting worse and it just doesn't feel good anymore. So I'm going to try to stay warm and head back to Salisbury. Yeah, it kind of sucks. I was really looking forward to Arthur Hut, but yeah, it doesn't feel good or safe for me to carry on, so I'll just make my way back. The wind sucks though. Yes, I can just see the forest come back into view there, so I know that I'll be in more shelter soon. No more wind. just taking a little detour back to Salisbury Hut. This is the Potholes and something creek. Yeah, that is a pothole. Oh my god, there's sunshine! There's sunshine! This is Sphinx Rock, and this sign made me laugh. Sphinx Rock, from which is named this creek and the cave beyond. He hasn't much resembled a sphinx since 1929 when the earthquake shook off his head. Poor guy. Definitely happy with my decision to turn back from the weather because the mountains there are still covered in clouds. Just cooking my dinner here. Tonight I'm sharing the hut with two other couples. A couple from Nelson and then a couple, one's from France and one's from Lithuania. Hopefully we'll go climbing together. But it is nice to have some other people around instead of being alone, so it's nice. I am grateful. So we're trying again. I'm hiking with Bastien and Eva and it's much better weather today, so we're giving it another go. There's the views I was missing yesterday. You okay?
Are you stuck?
Whoop. Yeah. Well, that's an hour up.
Yeah.
So it'll be an hour back. My GoPro dies after the next couple clips here, but I just wanted to say how incredible it is when you follow your instincts, both from a safety standpoint and from an opportunist standpoint. I'm so grateful to have celebrated my 24th birthday on these mountains with these two amazing people. Bastien and Leva sang me happy birthday and gave me a birthday orange with candles stuck into it back at the carpark, which was such a simple yet powerful gesture and a perfect way to end another adventure.